Hello, I'm Peter Cartwright. I hope you can join me for the Commercial and Industrial Reverse Osmosis Design Workshop I'll be teaching for the Water Quality Association. We'll meet virtually for about an hour once a week for 7 weeks, and it starts on April 8th. As you are no doubt aware, reverse osmosis is a common water treatment technology used in such diverse applications as drinking water treatment, boiler feed, car wash rinsing, bottled water production, food processing, and many other applications. What makes this technology unusual is that certain design and operation factors have a major influence on RO system performance. This workshop introduces these factors, and through the use of problem-solving exercises and small discussion groups, addresses each step of RO system design. For more information and to register, go to WQA.org/RO Sizing Workshop.